Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Masaki. I'm a Japanese living in France. Today I'm gonna show you how to make teriyaki chicken. If you are bored with just eating grilled chicken, this will be a good kick. So let's check it out. So I have a cucumber, lettuce, tomato, chicken, salt, black pepper, potato starch, 2 big spoons of mirin, 2 big spoons of sake, 2 big spoons of soy sauce, and 1 big spoon of sugar. Okay, it's all set. Now let's cut up some vegetables and make a sauce mix. For garnish, slice a cucumber, not too thin. Chop up some lettuce, like julienne. Okay, the vegetables are ready. Let's put on the plate. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Do the same thing for other side. Then coat chicken with potato starch. The coating keep moisture inside, so the outside gets crispy and the inside gets juicy. Okay, let's grill chicken. Add little oil on the pan. Cut chicken. Teriyaki chicken is beautifully done. I chose Kronenberg Intense for teriyaki chicken today. The teriyaki chicken is ready. Let's give it a try. It tastes awesome. It's really good. The saltiness of soy sauce and the sweetness. It's the best teriyaki recipe ever. Umai. It is perfectly matched with the sweetness and the saltiness of teriyaki chicken. I can't stop eating. Be a teriyaki chicken, I'm in heaven. Thank you for watching. Did you like my video? If so, please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching again. I hope I will see you soon. Mata ne. Bye bye.